Are you currently trying to figure out how to make an extra $1,000, $2,000, $5,000 or more extra every single month? If that's you, you've come to the right video. Because in this video today, I'm showing you how easy it actually is to make the extra money that you need to feel comfortable. Because right now, so many people in life, society, everything like that, they're just trying to make extra money so they feel comfortable. This isn't money to live the rich and famous lifestyles or anything like that. This is simply just to feel comfortable while the economy does what the economy has been doing with inflation. And one of the things that people forget to do is this. They forget to do the math. Question, if you need to make an extra $1,000 a week, have you done the math? Or an extra $1,000 a month. Have you done the math? And a lot of you are going to say no. But until you do the math, you'll never see how easy it actually is. And you're probably wondering, like, what is this guy talking about? How is it that easy? Well, once you do the math, you'll see how easy it actually is. Because question, did you know this? If you want to make an extra $1,000 a month, you literally only need to make a little bit over $33 extra a day to make an extra $1,000 a month. I know, crazy. But that's not it. The rest of this video, I promise you, is going to blow your mind. Let's do the math together. So right now, you need to make extra money this month, next month, and the rest of the months this year to feel comfortable or just to be able to get ahead. Listen, we're all there. We're all trying to make extra so we feel comfortable. But can I tell you this? There is 92,000 people Googling every single month how to make extra money online. Yes, 92,000 people are searching how to make money online or extra money every single month. So what does that tell you? One, you're not alone. And two, if there's 92,000 people searching, that means you have 92,000 people that you can potentially serve in providing something that will help them get to the next level. Have you thought about that? Probably not. But in this video, we're going to explain. So right now you're sitting there with your pen probably, and you wrote down 92,000 people. It's like, yes, 92,000 people are searching how to make money online every month. That's over 1 million people a year. I'm not the smartest person in the room, but I know how to do 5th grade math. And I hope you can do 5th grade math with me too, okay? So if there's 92,000 people searching how to make money online, how to make extra money online, how to make money on YouTube, drop shipping, Amazon, all these different things that don't even go into the 92,000 people searching. But if you, yes, you, come up with something to provide a service to those 92,000 people every single month, what did you just do? You just guaranteed extra money for you and your family and giving yourself freedom. You're like, Dwayne, how will that give me freedom? Listen, I'm not telling you to go out there and come up with something random to serve the 92,000 people. I'm telling you this, you're good at something. I don't know what that is, but you're good at something better than me at something. You could be better at doing Microsoft Excel, Microsoft PowerPoint. You could be a pool cleaner better than me, okay? It doesn't matter. But if you know how to do something better than everyone else, and everyone has that one gift in their life that everyone gives them a compliment on. So someone compliments you on this all the time and you just think, that's just me. But believe it or not, that's something that other people are lacking. Okay? So if you I'm just going to use the Microsoft Excel as an example. If you provide a service where you show people how to do Microsoft Excel as good as you, and you provide that to the 92,000 people trying to figure out how to make money online, you can make money. Listen, if you only charge half of 1% of the 92,000 people, right? Half of a percent to the 92,000, which is 460 people a month. If you charge them $5 to learn from you, whatever skill you're good at, Microsoft Excel, it doesn't matter, whatever you're good at, charge them $5 a month, right? You just gave yourself $27,000 a year extra. Yeah, $27,000 extra. Will that help you just at $5? You're showing people how to do Microsoft Excel for $5. And you do it in a group setting, or you record it and they can play it whenever they want to. Will that help you? Of course. Do you really want to blow your mind? I know you do. So if you charge $10 a month, $10 a month, that's less than a coffee every single month. Because people are going to Starbucks and dropping $7, $8 per coffee. So if you charge people $10 a month to learn the skill that you're really good at, right? Online, you teach them online. You're going to make an extra $4,600 every single month. Will that make your lifestyle a little bit more comfortable? I hope it does, because I know that would help me. But I know it would definitely help you. $4,600 extra every single month, that will help everyone out there. Do you want to keep going? I got my little notes right here, so I want to make sure this one's right. And with that $4,600 every single month, that will literally give you $55,000 a year extra. You don't have to quit your 9 to 5. You keep your 9 to 5 and you do all of this on the side. Online, teaching people how to be as good as you in a skill that you're really good at. You could be a really good guitarist and you teach people how to play the guitar online and charge them $10 a month, and you'll make $55,000 extra a year with 460 people. Listen, right now, there's a huge market searching. Over 92,000 people are searching every month how to make money online. So if we have those figures, let's think, wouldn't it be beneficial to all of us to find a solution to the question that they have, how to make money online? Of course it would, guys. Come on. At the end of the day, everyone is trying to find how to be better in something and how to get more out of life. It's up to us to decide, do we want to be a consumer or do we want to be the one providing the solutions to everyone else's problems? I myself, I prefer to be the one providing the solutions only because it pays at the end of the day. Like, guys, at the end of the day, I'm going to keep going here. Bear with me. So if you had half of a percent, I'm not saying 1%, not 2%, half of a percent of the 92,000 people charging $20 a month, how much is that, guys? Put in your calculator and do it. That's $9,200 a month. A month, okay? Wouldn't that make your life a little bit more comfortable? That's $110,000. Wait, is that right? Hold on. $110,400 extra every single month. You didn't have to quit your day job. You could keep that. But you have $110,000 extra every single year. Could your life be a little bit better with that? be more comfortable? Of course. At the end of the day, there's people out there searching for the solutions to their problems. They're searching right now how to make money online. You could literally create a newsletter on the top 5 things to do to make extra money online. You could use that advice right there for free to create that newsletter and get paid. You could literally charge them $5 a year, right? Charge people $5 a year for a monthly newsletter saying the top 5 things to do to make money online. And people will beat down your door and buy it from you. And you get paid. So I want you to stop. It's okay to have your job. But if you want to be comfortable without getting a second, third, or fourth job, why don't you create something to give to the people? When you create something to give to the people, to answer the problem that the people have, that's when you're going to see your freedom. And I want to see you free. Because at the end of the day, I've had money, I've lost money, I've gotten money back. And the best feeling is when you know everything in your life is perfectly at peace, you're not stressing bills or anything like that. Because that's the one thing that people struggle with every single month is they have the bills, but they don't have enough resources to pay for the bills. And now you're trying to figure out how to make payment plans or how to keep your lights on. I don't want to see you having to survive. I want to see all of you thriving. Do you want to thrive? I know you do. Everyone wants to thrive in this life that we're in. But it's up to you to decide, do you make the change and do something different? The results you want in life are only going to come when you do something different. You go against the grain. You're not going with how society's telling you to go at the end of the day. And that's where people get scared because it's unknown. They're not used to it. But your freedom, your financial freedom, is where you're uncomfortable. It's not where you're comfortable. Because if you're comfortable, that means you're not growing, you're not elevating. So it's time to get uncomfortable. So, are you a good landscaper? Do you clean pools? There's something you have that people will pay you for. Are you a good researcher online? If you're a good researcher, you can research what are the top 5 things to do online to make money and provide that to people, and people will pay you. Hand over fist. But it's up to you to make the decision to do something different. And when you do something different, you will see the results that you've been dreaming of. I promise you that, guys. So as we're all sitting here together, let's think about what can you do? What can you think of doing today that can provide value to the 92,000 people searching on Google every single month how to make money online? What can you do? I know you could do some research, because at the end of the day, we're in a society where people just want the answers. They want the cheat sheet, guys. Come on. And if we know they want the cheat sheet, why don't you give them the cheat sheet so they don't have to do the research themselves? You do the research and you give them the answers. And guess what? Those 92,000 people will pay you for the answers you have. Guys, and the best part is, you don't need all 92,000 people. You could literally make money with less than 1%. Less than. You could do 0.5%. 0.5% at $10 a month gives you $4,600 a month. That's an extra $55,000 a year. I'm gonna leave you with this. How would your life be with an extra $55,000 a year? Think about that, ponder it, figure out how to provide a service to the people searching online how to make money. And when you do that, you will see your financial freedom. Hit the like, hit the subscribe button, and I'll see you in the next video. Have a good day, guys.